Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Vellabox, so let's get into it and check it out. If you are new to Vellabox, Vellabox is a candle subscription. It comes out monthly, it comes in 3 sizes, you get to pick which size you want. Regardless of the size you choose, you will also have a bonus item, and they are clean candles, and that is the part that I love the most. Most candles that you find out on the market are paraffin wax, and paraffin wax is a petroleum byproduct, and it's just not clean. It's not great for you to be breathing in, and they say it releases carcinogenic chemicals into the air. I wish that I could say that now that I do this, I never do other candles, and I cannot, but I can say that probably 85% of the time, these are the candles that I burn, and I love knowing it, especially when the kids are here. I love knowing that I'm using clean candles. I am an affiliate now with Vellabox, and they send me these for review, but if they didn't, I would be purchasing them. My mom has even signed up for them. It's just, you know, we use so many chemicals, and I just love that since I personally burn candles so much, it just gives me such peace of mind knowing that they're clean. This one says, a year of adventure awaits you. So this was our January box. Ooh, this is so pretty. Our canvas bag this month, it even feels different from canvas. It feels more cottony, and it, oh my goodness, it is so pretty. This one's gonna, I always try and find something fun to do with them, but this month, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. That's what I wanna do. I wanna stop right here for a second and be like, what am I gonna do with this? All right, let me reach down and get the paperwork and our bonus item. This is our bonus item. I don't know what they are yet. Let's get them out. They're just discs. They all say cheers. I just need to put them down and look at the paperwork, but that is what they look like. I mean, I can do that better. Like, I can do that better. Can I though? Oh my goodness, Kathrin. Oh my gosh, girl, get it together. Okay, that is what they look like. It's 4 individual colors. They're kind of mirrored, and they say cheers on them. Let's see what they are. This says cheers drink charms. They are drink charms. So you would slide, I wish I had a wine glass up here to show you. You would slide them onto the bottom of your wine glass. Oh, no. I feel like I want to start all of this all over again. No, because how would they stay on? You put them over the top of your glass, right by up top where you drink. I don't have anything, I don't think, small enough. It won't fit. I have my coffee up here. It won't fit in that. Will it fit in my mug? Nope. But you get the idea. Shall we take a breath? Is it just me? Do we need a moment? I feel like I should go put my nose in a corner. Okay. That is our bonus item this month, and it says remove the protective liner from each charm. Well, good it said that because I don't see one. Select the charm color, mark your glass, and leave your drink. That is a really cute idea. I kind of like the idea of it versus the little charms around the bottom of the stem. I don't know, something about it appeals to me. Okay, let's talk about the candle because we're here for the candle. Sometimes they're clear, sometimes they're brown, sometimes they're silver lids, sometimes they're black lids. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, we've got clear with a black lid. That is the label this month. Each month they work with a different artisan, and that artisan who makes clean candles does all of the candles. There's usually 3 different scents. When you go on and you sign up, they will have you fill out a profile, find out everything that you are looking for in candle scents. You know, they will ask you your favorites, you know, florals and just everything. And then they will pick the scent that is perfect for you. I have True Hue, which is going to be who it's made by, Spiced Mule. I'm not going to read the notes because I don't know why I put myself through this, but we're going to guess the scent. Oh my goodness. I'm guessing that the scent is just fantastic. Oh my gosh, that smells so, it smells kind of piney, but fresh. How do you explain fresh? A little bit like maybe ginger. Okay, ginger. A little sweet. So there might be a little vanilla or tonka underneath that. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Let's see. True Hue, inspired by clean, functional design and a soul for adventure, True Hue seeks to produce the best line of home fragrances that will transport you to the forest, the lake, or under the stars. absolutely get forest from this, but not like Christmas. I'm not thinking like, oh great, it's a Christmas tree scent. No, it's not like that. I love this artisan. With quality ingredients and the planet top of mind, True Hue candles are poured with clean wax and fine fragrance oils that are phthalate-free and vegan. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay, this is Spiced Mule. They say it is an herbal, sweet, and spice. I can't quit smelling it. It is ginger, check. Pine, check. Rye, orange peel, basil, galbanum, I'm not even sure what that is, tomato root, rosemary, and thyme. Nailed it. Okay, even with all of that information, I can't smell that. I just know it smells fresh and fantastic. Inspired by the wintertime favorite beverage, Spiced Mule is sure to fill the room with warmth and good times. Along with its delicious aroma, of course, ring in the new year with this fun scent. Yeah, that just smells delicious. I'm gonna take this downstairs and start using it now. As luck would have it, I have just finished my gingerbread house. You know, that's the beauty of getting these monthly, is I almost always have one going up here, but the one up here lasts longer because I only light it when I'm taping. The one downstairs I light probably daily, and it still lasts me. This is the large one, and it lasts me a month. Oh my gosh, I just wish I could, guys. It smell it. It smells so good. I love these candles, and I love that they smell good, and I love that they would fit in any decor. If it's something you have any interest in, I will put the code below, because with Kathrin 50, you will get 50% off your first box, which I think is amazing. If you have any other questions about this, let me know below. I am happy to find out the answer if I don't know it, and I hope I will see you again. I want to thank Vellabox for sending this over. I love them. I just love the candles. I love the scent of them. I love knowing that I'm not putting toxins into the air. Thanks again for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope I see you again soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys.